Please stay tuned as I demonstrate how to make Jamaican Ital stew. Oh, hi there everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Alright, family and friends, I'll start by preparing the main ingredients. I'm simply going to peel the chayote, or the Christophine in Jamaica we call it chocho. I'm going to remove the core and then dice it. Now, quick story time, family and friends. When I was small, everyone said this was my dad's favorite dish, and boy, I did not like it then, but I've grown to appreciate it. Next, family and friends, I will peel and dice my potatoes, and then I will put it aside. Family and friends, please hit the like button. Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me if you prepare this dish in your country. Next, family and friends, I move to peel and dice my pumpkin. Now, family and friends, the pumpkin add richness, color, and depth to this meal, so make sure you don't leave it out. The other ingredients that I'll be using: 2 Roma tomatoes that I have chopped. I have some mixed vegetables, a cup of raw peanuts, some garlic, ginger, and onion. In a deep Dutch pot, I've added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To that, I add my ginger and my garlic, family and friends. I add my onion. I am using a medium onion, and then I will go ahead to brown my onions thoroughly. I then remove the onions from the pot, place them on a plate, and then I use the same pot to add my peanuts. Now, family and friends, I just toss this for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add to that 2 cups of coconut milk. Next, family and friends, I add my tomatoes. I cover to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, family and friends, if you're excited about this meal, go ahead and smash that like button. After 15 minutes, I add to that my pumpkin, my mixed vegetables, my potatoes, and then, family and friends, I add my chocho, cover to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove some of the chocho, the pumpkin, and potato, and allow to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Now, after that 10 minutes has elapsed, guys, if only you could smell all of this goodness, I've added back the vegetables that I had removed from the pot. I'm gonna add to that some green onions, some bell peppers, and add my powdered season and that smoked paprika. Family and friends, I can't wait to share this exciting recipe with you. After about 10 minutes, family and friends, this is what it looks like. It has simmered, it smells good, and I can't wait to dig in. Next, I will add to that some purple onion and allow to simmer. Our spiritual nugget comes to us from 2 Corinthians 5 verse 7. We're encouraged to walk in faith, step out, launch out, believing that you are able through Christ. Now, family and friends, after that, I will add to that my cooked onions. I add to that some scotch bonnet pepper, turn off the stove, and allow this to seep in. It's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me. Remember to hit the like button, leave your comment in the comment section, turn on your post notification for weekly video, and I will see you next week, where I have for you another exciting Jamaican recipe, or another recipe done Jamaican style. Before I go, let me thank my new subscribers for making my channel one of your viewing choice. Remember to share my channel with your friends. Help me to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.